So I'm repairing these sprinklers, and I have a lot of Teflon pipe tape to remove. I looked online for a way to remove it the fastest way. People said take a wire brush and scrub it. Hit it with a toothbrush or a damp rag. Use gasoline. Can't really do that with PVC. The fastest way that I've found, I haven't really heard anybody mention, is to take a compressor and just an air nozzle, set it to like, I don't know, 70, 90 psi, and just blast the Teflon tape off. And then just like that, it pretty much just rips right off. You don't have to deal with all these little threads or anything. You don't have to deal with winding and unwinding. Just blast it off. Yeah, hope that helps.